dream of having your business, brand, or product showcased on the prestigious platform of Yahoo Finance? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to tell you how you can make that dream a reality. Imagine the exposure, the credibility, and the flood of opportunities that come with being featured on Yahoo Finance. It's not just a dream, it's a strategic move that can propel your success to new heights. And the best part? It's more achievable than you might think. Hey there, I'm Josh with NxtGen Marketing. We help businesses like yours succeed online. First things first, getting featured in Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Fox, or any other top outlet involves understanding a couple of key pathways. One is through the contributors. These contributors charge a certain fee, and they go in and directly post on CBS, Fox, Associated Press, and any of such websites. Second, and a much simpler way, is through press releases, where you write a press release and publish it on PR wire sites like Decision or EIN Press Wire, and it will go live on sites like Yahoo Finance, Fox, ABC, and CBS in their press release section, which essentially enables you to use the as seen on Yahoo in your marketing materials. Now, let's talk about the power of crafting a compelling story. But if you've found value in this video already, please be sure to hit the like button. Press releases aren't just about announcing something new, they're about framing your news in a way that's irresistible to journalists and editors. Your release needs to be clear, impactful, and directly relevant to current market trends. And that's where we can help you. At NxtGen Marketing, we go beyond traditional PR by strategically positioning your press release for maximum exposure. We make sure your story not only reaches, but also resonates with editors at major news sites by emphasizing its unique angle. Here's how you can get started. Visit our website mentioned in the description below and choose from one of our customized press release packages. Provide us with details about your business and the news you wish to announce. And that's it. Our team will craft a tailored press release and handle the distribution, maximizing your chances of getting featured on high authority websites like Yahoo. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to getting featured on Yahoo Finance are within your reach. You just need to create a compelling news article and publish it on PR news sites. Or you can have us take care of it all. We can write a newsworthy press release and publish it for you at a much affordable rate, since we get volume discounts from PR outlets, and we can pass those savings directly onto you. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you want to boost your online presence and get featured on Yahoo Finance or need help with your SEO, be sure to check out our website.